3. In this video, I'll show you how to automate customer segmentation in Klaviyo using purchase history. Start by signing into your Klaviyo account. Make sure your online store, such as Shopify or WooCommerce, is already connected so purchase data is syncing with Klaviyo. Next, click Audience from the left menu, then select Lists and Segments. After that, click Create New, then choose Segment. Give your segment a name that clearly describes the audience you want to target. Now build your segment by adding conditions based on purchase history. For example, you can choose customers who have placed order at least once, customers who have purchased a specific product, or customers who have spent more than a certain amount. Add additional conditions if you want to make the segment even more specific. Next, click Create Segment and allow Klaviyo to process your audience. The segment will update automatically whenever customers meet or no longer meet the conditions you've defined. Finally, use your new segment when sending campaigns or as the trigger or filter for your email and SMS flows to automatically target customers based on their purchase history. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate customer segmentation in Klaviyo using purchase history. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.